Hey, boys and girls, welcome to the Do Now. Look and see in your notes about what the area of a trapezoid is. If you forget, what's the area of this? Go. All right, let's try it. So I got my picture here. So I know the area is 1/2 times the height, base 1 plus base 2. Write that down if you don't have it. And the bases are the parallel sides. Because a trapezoid has one set of parallel sides like that. So that and that parallel, these two are not, because if I extend the line, they intersect up here somewhere. So the height is this, right? How high this is. And so that's the y. And so I look at the y, see how the y is 0 here? So it's along the origin, and then here it's 5. So you go up 5 spaces, even though it doesn't have it here, and I don't really have it accurately here, you can just know that up and down is the y. And so you go from 0 to 5, or from 0 to 5 on the y. So that means this is 5 spaces. So it's 1/2 times 5. All right, so now we need the bases. We need the parallel side. So this side and this side. This side here, left to right, that's the x, right? Because you see how 5 stays the same, the y stays the same, but the x changes from 0 to 8. Now we'll see that's 8 spaces to the right. If you go from 0 to 8 on the x, you go 8 to the right. So that's 8. Plus, all right, this one here. So you see how the y stays the same as 0 because you're not going up and down, you're just going left to right from 0 to 12. So that would be 12. Cool. All right. 1/2, 5, do parentheses first, like PEMDAS. So that's going to be 20. 1/2 of 20 is 10. It doesn't matter what order you multiply in because you're going to get the same answer. 10 times 5 is 50. There we go, 50 units squared. Because we're finding area. So that would be C. Got it. All right, let's try this one. Ooh, a proof. What would go in step 2? Go. All right, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Okay. So why would angle 1 be congruent to angle 2 and angle 3 be congruent to angle 4? Well, they're right across the x from each other. And so those are vertical angles right across the x from each other. Yes. So that would be vertical angles are congruent. That would be B for this one. Nice. This one here. Okay. Copy it down. I want to find the sine of D. All right. Let's see what you got. See if we got it. Here we go. Here's the picture. I drew it out. Sine of D. So D is my reference angle. I'm going to make a mark right there. Opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. And then straight across, always draw that line for my opposite. And then the part touching the angle that's not the hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. Like that. Okay, so sine, all right, SOHCAHTOA. So sine is here, opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 8, hypotenuse is 17. 8 over 17 is the answer. Cool. So that's going to be B. All right. One more. Circle stuff. What do you got? All right, let's check it out. The center is 5, -4, and the radius is 3. Okay, so that's going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. So it's x minus 5 squared plus y minus k. This is h, this is k, right? Minus -4 squared equals radius squared, 3 squared. Simplify. X minus 5 squared plus, when you subtract the negative, you're adding. Y plus 4. Broke my pencil. Squared equals 3 times 3, which is 9. There you go. X minus 5 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 9. Is A. There you go. Good work, everybody.